video I will show you how to import image to assets catalog. Here is the plus button, just click this and you can import image from your directory. You can rename this file, just double click this one and you can rename this file and press enter button. This file name is changed. Just select this icon. You can also use system delete icon or use delete selected icon. You can delete this one. You can also click and drag image directly to this UI like this. So just now I click and drag these images right here. I am using 1x, 2x, 3x for better resolution. Here is I have set universal device supports. If you are only support iPad something means you can select iPad only or iPhone only like this. It's up to your wish. I recommend to use universal image. There are different type of image we are using like JPEG, PNG, PDF and SF image. PNG, if you need transparent in your image, use PNG. Depends on number of color that you have in your image, you can choose your format. If you have a less number of color means you can choose PNG image. JPEG have more resolution and both JPEG and PNG you supposed to be used different type of 1x, 2x, 3x resolution you supposed to be used here. JPEG does not support transparent one. If you want to transparent means you have to use PNG. If you are using PDF means it is more flexible and good for infinity scalable. You no need to use 2x, 3x for PDF. You can simply use 1x for PDF images. Just format is PDF. You can just click and drag your PDF right here. So that's enough for 1x. I'm going to be use this image in our content view. Command Shift L, I got this image. Here is the image option. There are images available in our workspace. I just click and drag to UI or code directly. I got this UI. I supposed to be resume these things. I got this UI. We can also use SF symbol. SF symbol is system image. We will learn about SF symbol in upcoming video. I'm going to be show some demo about how to use SF symbols. You have to use system name SYSTEM system name followed by your name. I am going to be use system icon like book. So now system name is book. This is my book icon from our system image. To use system image you have to use system name followed by your clip icon name. If you are using your assets image means you can just import from Command Shift L. You can get this image right here. There are list of image available from your assets catalog. You can simply click and drag image like this.